Welcome back to Crazy Fun Time Cards. In this video, we have another single pack, 2025 Bowman Baseball. Feels kind of thick. Hopefully there's a couple good cards in here. Let's go. All right. Let's zoom in. Spencer Schwellenbach, Ketel Marte, Kyle Tucker, Colt Emerson, VIP. Insert. Johnston Garcia, Bryce Rayner, Pablo Guerrero, Chen Wei Lin on the chrome, Richard Maddock on the chrome, Mike Trout, Tristan Casas, and Emmanuel Clase. If you'd like what we're doing, please click like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. What's your favorite card? My card is probably, I like the Colt Emerson VIP Refractor. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.